Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about face contour operation. So first of all we will create an object. So in solid I will create cylinder with center origin. Radius value is 15 and height is 35. Okay, now view is in top and wireframe. Okay, now in wireframe and I will create rectangular shape. So the dimension value is 20 by 20 and the fillet value is 5. So I will click OK. Now change the view in front. So you will see this is set at bottom. So I will select translate in Z, value is 35, move and OK. So in view change shaded. Okay, now I will set the view is front. Okay, C plane as a front. Now in transform, click on rotate. Select this all object and selection and turn it 90. Move and OK. So now I will click on machine, lathe, default. Now select stock setup. So first of all select plane. So you will see automatically plane selection is front. Okay. Now stock. So make from 2 point here at end point and again end point. So here. Okay. Now chalk jaw. So click on properties. Here the height value is 10, another is 10 and this also 10. Here width value is 10, 20 and 30. Okay, now click on parameter. Position from stock and grip length is 1. And OK. So you will see here. Now I will select face contour operation. So select your chain. OK. Now select your tool. So filter. Here you will see Enamel to sphere tool. OK. And select library tool. I will select one dia tool. So select holder. Now cut parameter, depth of cut. So I will set only rough step, value is 0.5 and set linking parameter. Top of the stock is 0. Depth is, I will not select a point, I will set by value like -1. OK, and you will see. So we will check in verify selected operation. So you will see here I will hide axis and wireframe view, change the speed and just play this operation. So you will see the operation is performed. I will change the speed. So you will see here the face contour operation is performed. So I will just close it, change the view, isometric and fit. Okay friends, so this is our face contour operation. In next lecture we will discuss about C-axis contour operation. Thank you friends.